to block adult websites permanently in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network at the top. Here, you'll find Private DNS. Simply click on Private DNS. Then, click on Private DNS Provider Hostname. And in here, simply type in as shown on the screen, which is family.adguard-dns.com, and press on Save. And after you do this, all the adult websites will be permanently blocked in your Android. And this is how to block adult website permanently in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.